Hello guys, today I will show you all the new update as usual. The most important new thing is that the Simon's minigame got updated. In the chat, there is the school clock is ticking now when Simon's minigame starts. BTW to those people who think it's Simon's birthday, it's actually isn't. Simon got added in March. Anyway, sadly, the 4 quarters game got removed and replaced. This is how the old game looked like. BTW. Let's go look at Simon's new minigame. Simon says. For those who don't know how Simon says work, you have to do what Simon says, but only if the sentence starts with Simon says. You get fishes and chests from this game. And when the game ends, he just disappears. Maybe he is in hell for trapping innocent kitties. But I guess not, since he only did that in his old minigame. There is also a new meow sound. And the weather toggle finally got added back. The yellow cat's cat got a power.
I don't know if I showed this last video, but the orange cat has a power too.
I'm gonna buy the iGame Pass now because I wanted to do it in a video. I had to get some food for my children. Okay, now lastly, we'll finally test the eyes. Oh damn, it looks like I took too much catnip. This eye is new. BTW. Mahiha am evil. Me, if you'll want, stop begging for iPad. Not this goddamn deer again. Okay, goodbye.